go for the next multiplication technique here. So in the case of inline multiplication, already you have done a 2 by 2 multiplication, and one more what you have done is nothing but a 3 by 3 multiplication. Actually, in the 2 by 2 multiplication, we got 3 steps. In 3 by 3 multiplication, we'll get 5 steps. And let's come into the point of here, a 3 by 2 multiplication, how we take it here. So in the case of 3 by 2 multiplication, we'll get 4 steps here. Let's understand what is that. 3 by 2 means, for example, if you take 743, then I have to multiply, let be into 57 if you want to multiply this case. Basically how we do in the sense here, so however you take 3 by 3 multiplication, the same manner we do it here. In 3 by 3 multiplication, what you are doing, 743 into 57 if you want to do it. For example, 3 by 3 multiplication, if I have third digit here, that I'll go it very easily, but I don't have a third digit here now, so in that place I'll take 0 now. Now 743 into 057, so 57, or you take it 057, no issues, it will be, everything is same. Now coming to the point of steps, we will take 3 into 7 as a step 1, 4 into 7, 5 into 3 as a step 2, and 7 into 7, 3 into 0, 4 into 5 as a step 3, and 7 into 5, 4 into 0 as the step 4, and 7 into 0, that will be step 5, but 7 into 0, it will become 0 na. That's why same 3 by 3 multiplication will follow, but we'll do up to only 4 step. We'll do up to only 4 step. Why? Because the fifth step, that is 7 to 0, it will become 0. Now I'll do it here. 743 into, if you want to take 57, I said write 057. Let's go for calculation. So step 1, as you done in 3 by 3, 3 into 7, 21, 2 here, 1 here. Step 2, 4 into 7, 28, 3 into 5, 15. 28 plus 15, 43. 43 plus 2, 45. 4 here, 5 here. Third step, 7 into 7, 49. And this will become 0. 3 into 0, 0. 4 5s are 20. 49 plus 20, 69. But already carry 4 is there. 69 plus 4, 73. Now fourth step, 7 into 5, 35. And this will become 0. 35 plus 7, 42. That's it. We have to close with the 42 itself. So why? Because fifth step, it will become 0. Just I'll repeat. 3 into 7, 21. 2, we are writing here 1. Step 2. 4 into 7, 28. 3 into 5, 15. 28 plus 15, 43. Already carrier 2 is there. 43 plus 2, 45. 4 here, 5 here. And this one, 7 into 7, 49. This is 0. 49 plus 20, 69 plus 4. 69 plus 4, 73. 7 here, 3 here. Last step, 7 into 5, 35. This is 0. 35 plus 7, 42. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 2 multiplication. Let us understand two more examples here. For example, 543 into, let it be 27 if you want to take this case. As I said, simply take 0 into, let's multiply 3 into 7, 21. So 4 into 7, 28. 3 into 2, 6. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. 3 here, 6 here. Third step, 5 into 7, 35. This will become 0. 4 2s are 8. 35 plus 8, 43. Plus 3 is there, which I can write 46. And fourth step, 5 into 2, 10. This is 0. 10 plus 4, 14. Clear? That is 543 into 27. We get 14661. So as I said, always write the steps that easily we can understand the steps when you're writing. So here I can take 0. Now let's follow the steps. 3 into 6, 18. 1 here, 8 here. That means step 1 is over. Step 2, 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 3, 9. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So step 2 is over. And step 3, 7 into 6, 42. This will become 0. 2 3s are 6. 42 plus 6, 48. Plus 2 is there. 48 plus 2, 50. Third step is over. Now the fourth step. 7 into 3, 21. This will become 0. 21 plus 5, which is 26, which you get 26028. So simply this is how you take a 3 by 2 multiplication. Clear? So let's take next one. Basically in the case of inline multiplication, we have done 2 by 2 and we have done 3 by 3 and we have done 3 by 2. Now let us understand 4 by 4 also, how to take it in the case of this inline multiplication. Let's check how you take it 4 by 4. Let's take any number. If you go for here, if you want to multiply, let 1 2 3 4 into, I have to multiply, let's same thing with the 4 3 2 1. This is the case if you want to multiply. Let's check here. Totally we'll get 5 in the 3 by 3 we got 5 steps now. Here we'll get 7 steps here. What are the 7 steps? 4 into 1, basically that is a step 1, first row. 3 into 1, 4 into 2. Next to 2 rows is the step 2. And the next 3 rows is the step 3. 3 rows means how we take it? 2 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. 2 into 1, 4 into 3, 3 into 2. Now fourth step, extreme corners here like this. 1 into 1 this end, 4 into 4 this end, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 1 to 1, 4 to 4, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. So totally in the fourth step we'll get 4. And fifth step is last 3. Again 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. And sixth step is last 2. 1 into 3, 2 into 4. And last step is 1 into 4. Look at how we take it simply. First row is the step 1, next 2 rows is the step 2, next 3 rows is the step 3, and next 4 rows. That means all the 4 is step 4. Once the 4 rows is over, again last 3, last 2, last 1. Here also in each and every case the carrier we have to forward for the next case. Clear? So let us take the multiplication part. First step 4 into 1, it will be 4. Second step 3 into 1, 3, 4 2s are 8. So 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. So it's nothing but 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 here, 1 here, I can write it. Next step 3, this cross. 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 3, 12. I'll write here. So 2 into 1, 2, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6. This is how we get it. Clear? 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6. 2 plus 12, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. But already carried 1 is there. 20 plus 1, 21. Now fourth step, this corners 1 into 1, 1, and this corner 4 into 4, 4, and 2 into 2, this corner, and 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4, and 4 into 4 is nothing but 16, and 3 into 3 is nothing but 9. Clear? These are cases 1, 4, 16, 19. Sorry, 9. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 9, 29 plus 1, 30. Already carrier 2 is there. 30 plus 2, which I can write as a 32. And again last step, 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 4 is 12, 2 3s are 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Last 2 rows, 1 into 3, 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Already carrier 2. 11 plus 2, 13. And final step, 1 into 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Which is 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4. I'll repeat. 4 into 1, 4. That is a step 1. 3 into 1, 4 into 2. 8 plus 3, 11. That is a step 2. So 1 here, 1 here. Step 2. Step 3. These corners. 2 1s are 2. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. This one. So which you got 20. But already carrier 1 is there, not 21. So 2 here, 1 here. Fourth step. 1 into 1, 4 into 4, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. That means 1 1s, 4 4s, 2 2s, 3 3s. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. If I add all together, this case, if you add all together, this is nothing but we'll get 30. So this total is 30, but already carrier 2 is there, 32. So 3 here, 2 here we taking. And fifth step again last 3. 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6, this is 2, this is 12. Again same like 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. But already carrier 3 not 23. So 2 here, 3 here. Last 2. 1 into 3, 3, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. But already carrier 2 is there. 11 plus 2, 13. 1 here, 3 here. Last step, 1 into 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So like this. So we can take 4 by 4 multiplication. We can take 5 by 5 multiplication. We can take 6 by 6. Anything we can take it. The simple point, I'll give it like a formula. Look at here. So how you take inline multiplication. So if you are taking a 2 by 2 multiplication, for example, so first we'll take one row. After that we'll take 2 rows. Again last one row. If you are taking 3 by 3, first row, next 2 rows, all the 3 is over. Again last 2, last one. And if you are taking 4 by 4, first row, next 2 rows, next 3 rows, 4. Once the 4 is over, last 3, last 2, last 1. This is up to now what you have done. Similarly, we can go for 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Even you can take n by n also. When I taking 1, 2, 3, and finally n minus 1 n. Once the n is over, again n minus 1, n minus 2. Finally, it will go to 3, 2, 1. So simply this is how you take an inline multiplication. Clear? So in the case of inline multiplication, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. If a particular step is over, again it will go to the back side like 4, 3, 2, 1. So simply this type of multiplication we call it as an inline multiplication. Here in the case of inline multiplication, mainly 2 by 2 is very important and 3 by 3 also very important. With respect to that, I explained one more, that is how you take it 3 by 2 case. And 4 by 4 in very rare cases we get it here, but if you learn that one also fine. Clear? But mainly 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 are very important. Clear. So basically that is with inline multiplications. Clear.